Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to do a Nykaa haul. So before starting, if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram. And now let's get started. So these are all the products which I got from the Nykaa Hot Pink sale, and some products I've got after that sale as well. I have got a bunch of makeup and skincare products, so let's start with makeup first. First thing which I got is this Nude Sticks blush. I actually tried it at the Nykaa Pinkfluence event, and ever since then I just could not wait to get my hands on it. I got this in the shade Bohemian Rose. It looks so pretty and it is actually so dewy as well. You should definitely get one of these for yourself. Next, I have already tried the K-Beauty foundation and I love it, so I wanted to try more products from them. So first up, I got these two liners. These are liquid liners and these are in the shade Hot Violet and Sizzling Mocha. I have the brown one actually on my eyes today. This is how both of them look. The top one is the purple one and the down one is the brown one. Next up is this K-Beauty HD Liquid Concealer. I got it in the shade 170p Tan. I had heard a lot of things about it. It is very lightweight and blends easily. This is how the concealer looks. I have actually tried all the K-Beauty products and I have created a look with them, latte makeup, which is already up on my YouTube short. So if you haven't checked it out, I will link it in the I button. Make sure you check it out. I also got their loose powder. This is in the shade Translucent. It is a very nice lightweight powder and it gives a very beautiful flawless finish. Definitely a must-have. Also got the K-Beauty Illuminating Highlighter in the shade Champagne Fizz. This is what it looks like. This is how the shade Champagne Fizz looks like. It is a very natural, very buildable highlighter. Next, I got their Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Honor. This is how the lipstick looks like. It is a very pretty packaging. And this is what the shade Honor looks like. It is a very pretty berry shade. With all my shopping, I got this matte eyeshadow stick free. This is in the shade Bliss. It is a very nude brown shade. I think this will be perfect for everyday use. I also got their Matte Drama Bullet Lipstick as a freebie. This is in the shade Snapshot. This is how it looks like. This is how the Snapshot shade looks like. It is also a nude shade and I love it. I cannot wait to try it out. Next, I got a lipstick from Colorbar. This is their liquid lipstick in the shade Hot Latte. This is how the lipstick looks like. Let me swatch it for you guys. This is how the shade Hot Latte looks like from Colorbar. I love nude lipsticks and I have them possibly in every shade. Next, the last thing which I got in the makeup category is this Garnier's Micellar Water. This is a restock and I have been using it religiously every time to remove my makeup. Next, starting off with skincare, I got Plum Body Loving's entire Vanilla Vibes range. This is the shower gel, the body scrub, the body oil and the body mist as well. I had heard a lot of things about this range and I get the hype now. It really makes you smell like a bakery and it is all things sweet and delicious. You should definitely try this out if you haven't. Next, I have also heard about this brand known as Deconstruct. So I got their Niacinamide face wash and a body serum. I'll make sure to link all the products in the description below, so do check it out. I'll be trying this face wash and body serum out and I'll make sure to create a review, YouTube shorts on Instagram reel for you guys, so make sure you follow me on Instagram as well. Next, from Nivea, I have their classic body lotions. Nivea is known for its body lotion and it has been my go-to since always, so this is just a restock. Next, I also got Chemist That Plays Roll-On. I have been using this. This is also a restock. This is a very nice roll-on. This definitely controls your body odor the entire day. You should definitely try this out. I have the fragrance free variant, but it also comes in different fragrances, aqua, peach and some more, I guess. So you can definitely try this one out. Next, from Bath and Body Works, I got their cute Coco Paradise hand sanitizer. I just clearly bought this for its packaging. It looks so cute. Next, from Plum, I also got their serum starter pack. I have been using their vitamin C serum very religiously, but I wanted to try others as well, so I got the starter pack to try them out. The only hair product which I got is this hair curler from Vega. I definitely don't know how to curl my hair on my own right now, but I have got this, so I'll start using it and learning how to curl my hair on my own. That was it for my Nykaa haul. Make sure to subscribe and follow me on Instagram if you haven't already, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye!